How to pose in Roblox profile picture? Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pose in your Roblox profile picture so that you have a unique profile picture on Roblox. So currently the easiest way to pose in your Roblox profile picture is going to be in the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android phone. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to our phone and open up the Roblox app. Once you have the app open, you want to make sure you're logged into the account where you want to pose for the profile picture. Now that we have our account open within the Roblox app, select your profile picture in the bottom menu. This will bring up your avatar, and all we need to do is select Edit Profile Picture at the bottom. Once you select that, you'll see Select an Emote to pose your avatar, where we can select these different emotes here, as you can see, and this will change our avatar. You can also scroll down and purchase different emotes if you want. Once you've selected your desired pose for your profile picture, select Next. As you can see, our pose has already changed, but to make it more visible, all we need to do is zoom out using the little toggle down here, and then you can even rotate your avatar if you want to make it look unique and different. Once you've made the desired changes for your pose of your Roblox profile picture, select Next, and then you get a nice view of it. You can also view the entire avatar or view close up. If you want to change it, just hit the back button in the top left. Once you're happy with your Roblox profile picture pose, select Save, and then it will bring us back to our avatar here. We can then select the home button in the bottom left. And when we refresh the page by dragging it down, you can now see that I have my new pose in my Roblox profile picture. All right, so that's how you pose in your Roblox profile picture. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.